today I'm going to reveal for you a crash course on how to make $10,000 per month as an online coach. Now, I know this looks a lot, but I'm going to simplify this down. It's incredibly easy in essentially 4 very simple steps. Traffic, calls, closing calls, and getting results. And I break down exactly how you need to do each of these, the skills you need to learn, and the habits you need to make to 10K a month. If you don't know who I am, my name is Charlie Johnson. I've sold over $50 million of programs online. We've helped over 8,000 clients in our fitness business, and I've now helped 500 trainers scale their business. My goal is to give you so much value that you can get time freedom, location freedom, financial freedom for free from our YouTube videos. So if you're enjoying this video already, smash the like button, comment below the biggest takeaway you have as we go through the video. Now, to get started, the first thing you need is traffic, because visibility beats ability. If you do not have eyeballs, no one can buy anything from you. Now, when you're starting, one of the big mistakes I see a lot of people make is they get distracted trying to do too many platforms. All I want you to focus on is IG. Now, what we want to be doing on Instagram is we want to be doing 2 things. We want to be posting on main feed, bad handwriting, and we want to be doing stories. Very, very simple. Now, the goal with main feed and particular reels is to bring in new eyeballs into your account that you can then basically book in for calls, which I'll explain later on. The second thing in terms of stories is that you want to be using those as conversion mechanisms to pull people into your profile. Now, when you set up your Instagram, what you want to do is really optimize your profile. And when you're optimizing your profile, you want to make it very clear in your bio who it is you help, a specific time frame. Your profile photo needs to be clear, like headshot. If you're a bodybuilder, don't look too jacked because that's going to put people off. You want to look approachable, smiley, happy. One of the best things you can do with a profile photo is have a bright face and a bright background behind you. If you want to see a good example of that, head over to my Instagram at Charlie Johnson Fitness. You will see that across all of our accounts. And this is a base of how you want to set up your Instagram. With the profile, I would also have a CTA to DM in if they want help. So for example, I help men lose 20 pounds in 12 weeks. DM me results for more information. There's a clear step-by-step process, what someone needs to do if they want to reach out to you for help. You want to make it so simple, people don't have to think about things. And this is going to bring us on to the first skill you need to learn, which is content creation. So content is a skill and it takes time. However, the way you can collapse time is to actually get some experience from someone who's done it already. And if you actually want free access to our 5C course, which is the exact blueprint in terms of how we scale content. If you hit the link below this video, you can get free access to that for completely free, and it will show you how to scale content and how to make stuff that's going to crush to help you get traffic. Now, once you've got traffic coming through, you've got people coming into your account, you've got profile visits, you've got followers accumulating, what do you think you should do next? So if you wanted to ask out a pretty girl at the bar, you have to talk to them, right? So this is what we're going to do. When people come into your Instagram profile, we want to book them in for a sales call and try and sell them a fitness program, we're going to talk to them. So when they follow you, you want to direct message them. And the best message to send is something generally pretty simple. It's like, hey Charlie, thanks so much for the follow. What is it you're looking for? Fat loss advice or muscle building? The reason you do it this or that is you're giving them 2 options and you're making it easy to answer. And basically what we want to be doing then is identifying what the person wants to do, what have they tried before, and like what is their pain point. And we want them to identify that they don't know how to solve the problem themselves. And essentially, once we get to that point, we then offer them a call in terms of, okay, maybe I can walk you through in terms of how we've helped our clients, or if this is your first business, how I transformed myself. Now, if you're just starting out, one of the best things you can do is use your own results. So one thing I would recommend is that you get in good shape and do some type of transformation, because you can just advertise off of what you've done. People want to buy from someone who's done the thing they want to do, which is why people buy advice in terms of how to build their fitness business, because I built a very big fitness business. So it's the same thing for you. You want to get in great shape, or like relative great shape to your audience, so that you can then like lead by example. And you can use your own results to advertise your business. Now, when we're trying to get them into a sales call, the best way to do this is try and get them booked in for what's called a Zoom call, which is a video call. Now, the reason we do it on a video call is you have a 34% higher rate of likelihood of closing them versus a phone, because it's harder to say no to someone face-to-face, even if it's digitally. Now, if you're struggling in terms of how to book into calls, we have a full DM script framework that you can have. If you message me on Instagram at Charlie Johnson Fitness, DM script, I'll send you over the exact script we use in our own fitness business to help you take traffic to calls. Now, when you have the prospect on the call, the first thing you want to be doing is be relaxed. You also want to have a professional environment. Don't look like you're in your mum's basement. If you are in your mum's basement, that's okay. And comment below if you are in your mum's basement, because the job of this video is to try and get you out of there. And when we have them on the call, the goal is obviously move them to a close. Now, when we're looking to try and sell someone, the big thing we want to focus on is selling from emotion. So you don't want to sell benefits and features in terms of, I'm going to help you with a carb cycling plan, reducing your calories, doing cardio, blah, blah, blah. Nobody cares. What you want to do is talk about the emotional pain points. The easiest way to do this is to get their partner's names, their kids' names, use the sort of conversations. So Charlie, how would your son Jimmy feel if he suddenly looked up to his dad and he looked like Superman? Like, how do you think you would feel? It's a very powerful statement to make. That's where you want to be anchoring using emotion during these calls. Now, when it comes to sales calls, if you're not sure how to handle those, you can get the full sales script we use if you DM me sales script on Instagram, and I'll send you over that exact script. Same for the 5C course as well. We also have sales trainings in there, which is some of the best sales training on the internet. There's a link below for this video as well, which will walk you through the 18 big mistakes most people make on sales calls. So that's the first 3 steps in a very paraphrased form. Fourth, we have is how do we get clients results once someone signed up? So once someone signed up, one of the easiest ways, actually the best ways I've ever been coached by someone, is literally just on WhatsApp. So someone was literally WhatsApp coaching me. Here's your nutrition, here's what you need to do. It was super fast, it felt very personal. So you don't have to necessarily spend out straight away on things like coaching apps. If you are going to use a coaching app, I would recommend using Kahuna's. In my opinion, it's the best one out there. And that's how simple this process is at a base level. We have other videos that go in much more depth on some of these topics. But if we look down the skills you need to learn, we spoke about content creation, DM setting. Now, when we come into DM setting is the ability to actually handle conversation on text. One of the key things I want you to focus on is always having an open conversation. So you don't want to reply with a closed answer so that someone can't reply to. You always want to keep the conversation flowing and asking questions. Now, most of the money in DM setting is in the follow-up. If you are not following up, you will not get to 10K a month and you will stay in your mum's basement. So if you want to get out of there, you need to make sure you're following up with your leads and your prospects constantly. Same thing when it comes to sales calls. So sales is a skill. A really good book I'd recommend is The Way of the Wolf by Jordan Belfort, the guy from Wolf of Wall Street. He talks about the straight line selling system. That works very well to give you a good framework in terms of how to think about sales and not let people come off track. Now, when it comes to sales, this is an art and you have to get used to people saying no. But one of the best things you need to do is have confidence. Have confidence, have high energy, and that will come across on the call. One of the easiest ways to do that is even before you go on a sales call, do a few press ups, do something to get your energy up. If you can take the call standing up because you will naturally have higher energy. One of the big things we help our clients with is learning the art of sales. Because if you get really good at this, you don't need that many calls because you'll close them all. And then it's very easy to get to 10K a month. And when it comes to getting client results, this is pretty simple. The biggest thing people need mainly is accountability. If you give them the right structure and you personalize it, it's then easy to get the client result because all they need to do is actually an adherence standpoint. If most of your clients are just gonna be from a fat loss perspective, this is what they need to do, is just to stick to it. And if we break down all of these steps into some more detail, when we come to Instagram, when we want to try to generate leads inbound from stories, there's 2 things I would do. One would be the 1 story method, which we teach in depth in the 5C course, which is linked below. And essentially what we do is we put up 1 story, which will have a call to action, giving away something for free, or would maybe be like, I'm looking for 5 guys who want to get in the best shape of their life for the summer. DM me summer 2025 to find out exactly how I can help you. The reason you do with 1 story is it maximizes the story reach. If people start replying to that, it also pushes the reach out more. The second thing you want to be doing is sharing social proof on your stories, whether it's client messages, whether it's your own social proof in terms of your own transformation. And this is why you have to look that the biggest thing that's going to determine the success of the business is this stick man. And that is you, because you sit over the top of the business. And if the business isn't running as well as it should be, it's because of you. Now, this is where you have to look at the habits you need to make 10K a month. Number 1, being organized. So to make sure you're organized, you want to do what's called a plan tomorrow today. In particular, if you're currently working in a job and you're in your mum's basement, the most important thing you need to do is be very organized. I used to work a 9 to 5 as an estate agent, and I had to build my coaching business whilst working full time. So that forced me to become organized, and I had to plan all the time what was being done and when. Same thing when it comes to being consistent. The way you become lucky is you turn up every single day, and there's something called the compound effect. Each video you make will bounce off the previous one, and that's how you scale yourself up. And also, the more consistent you are and the more you do, the more all of these skills you're learning increase. The more volume you do of something, the better you will get. There's also a saying I like, and it's volume negates luck. Like if you do a lot of something, you suddenly get lucky. The reason most people fail at building a coaching business, which is actually pretty simple because so many people have done it, is because they just don't do it for long enough. They don't have the right advice, and they're just inconsistent. Which if you consistently turn up every day and you're organized, you will then get lucky. And that comes into the third habit and trait you need, which is being resilient. If you're resilient, you will understand there's going to be weeks you make lots of money, there's going to be weeks you make less money. Now, this is a key thing that you will learn. As your business goes from maybe making 10K a month, and let's say we add a zero on there and you get into 100K a month, you will need more resilience because more things will go wrong. That I can guarantee you. And as a man watching this, the problems in your life you solve right now will lead you to bigger problems. And that probably relates to things that have happened before. And all the problems I'm solving now in my life and in my business, I know are going to lead me to a bigger problem I'm going to have to deal with. But the beauty of that is your skills will up level with the size of the problems you have to solve. And fourthly is being coachable. The number one reason I would say I was personally successful and the clients we work with crush it is because they're coachable. They're open-minded, they ask questions, they're willing to try, and they're not afraid to fail. Most people, if they were given something that was a guarantee, they still wouldn't do it because they're worried it might go wrong. Whereas if something's like a 1 or a 2 out of 10, I'll try as hard as I can, and if it fails, it fails. If it wins, I smash it out of the park. And this is where coachability is the number one superpower, which is also the complete opposite of why most people are not successful. There are 3 reasons why someone might not be successful. 1 is they're stupid, 2 is they're lazy, 3 is they're arrogant. Most people aren't stupid, most people aren't lazy, but a lot of people are arrogant, in particular men. So don't be that guy because that's going to be the biggest thing that's going to hold you back. And I say that as a point from when I was in my mid-20s, early 20s, I was very arrogant. I thought I knew a lot, and the more you know, the less you feel you know. And the reality is if you want to get to where you're making 10K a month and eventually 100K a month or even more, the reality is you have to be humble and be open-minded to learn. And this is a base overview in terms of how you can get to 10K a month with your business. Now, if we're looking at booking calls, ideally what we want to be trying to do here is we want to increase the amount of followers you're getting every day so you can message as many new people as possible. Ideally, you want to max out probably around 100 to 150 new people a day you can message before you start to get into problems with your account. If you're at that point and you're messaging 50 to 60 people a day, you should be at least booking 2 to 3 sales calls. If you're booking 2 to 3 sales calls, and let's say you start at a cheap program price, let's say you do $1,000 or pounds, if you book 3 sales calls, you should close at least 1 out of 3. That's pretty simple maths. Now for you then, if your goal is to get to 10K a month, cool. How many do we actually need to sign up? We need to sign 9. But let's say if we're going to do more than that, let's say I would recommend most people do 2K for 6 months. So all you need is 5 clients. If you can close 1 in 3, you need to book 15 calls in a month to then get to $10,000 a month. If you need to book 15 calls, that's not that difficult to do. You probably then need to send maybe 200 to 250 messages. So are you going to hold back from doing the work you're supposed to do, of maybe sending 250 messages to book the 15 calls to make you the 10K to get the 5 clients? The question is yours. And then what's even more beautiful of this, if you do this for 6 months, what happens at 6 months? If you do your job well on the results basis, what happens? At least 50% of these clients should stay on. So in 6 months' time, you should have another 5K comes in. And if nothing else changed in the business at that point, you'd be making 15K a month. And this is how easy it is for you to get to 10K a month. And there's 2 options for you to do this. You have one, which is a DIY approach, which is essentially the hard road, which will take you months, years, and maybe you'll never figure it out. Could work. Or the done with you, done for you approach, which is essentially what we do with our beginner program, Fit Pro Launch Systems, and also 7-figure scaling systems. Now, what we do on this program is we walk you through the exact steps and hold your hand through the whole process in terms of how to get traffic, how to book calls, how to close calls, how to get client results, so you can do this on repeat to get time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom. If you don't know what to do, you're paying a huge amount of ignorance tax right now, which is going to hold you back faster than ever before. And I would say one word of advice to you. The window of opportunity is closing. It is going to get harder next year to start a coaching business than this year. It is harder this year than it was last year. And it will continue to do that as the years go by. So you are making your life more difficult by not starting and taking action now. And the people who have the lives they want right now are the ones who took action a few years ago. When was the best time to start? Last year. When's the second best time to start? Now. So hit the link below the video. You can book in a free call to find exactly how we can help you. We'll walk you through the process in terms of how we can get you to 10K a month, how we can build you financial freedom. And if we think you're a good fit to work with us, we'll offer the opportunity to that. But to be aware, we only offer that to around 40 to 50% of people because some people aren't the right fit in terms of the right type of client we want to work with. So if you'd like to book in a free call, hit the link below this video. If you took a ton of value from this, smash the like button, comment below your biggest takeaway and what more content you would like to see, and make sure you subscribe to the channel.